If Slack is showing a 504 error, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest troubleshooting steps to get Slack working again, and I'll keep it easy to follow whether you're using Slack on desktop or in your browser. If this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. First, the easiest thing to try is refreshing the page or simply trying again later. A 504 error often means Slack is having trouble communicating with the server, so sometimes the issue is temporary and clears up on its own. If you're using Slack in a browser, refresh the page and see if it loads normally. If you're on the desktop app, close Slack completely and reopen it. In many cases, that alone is enough to clear the error. If that doesn't work, the next step is to check your internet connection speed. A slow or unstable connection can make Slack timeout and trigger a 504 error. Open your browser and search for a speed test. Run a quick test and check whether your download and upload speeds look normal. If the connection is very slow, unstable, or dropping in and out, that could be the reason Slack is failing to load properly. Try reconnecting to your network or moving closer to your router if you're on Wi-Fi. If your connection seems okay, the next thing to try is switching networks. For example, if you're currently connected to Wi-Fi, switch to a mobile hotspot and test Slack again. Or if you're on a hotspot, switch back to Wi-Fi. This helps you determine whether the issue is with your current network rather than Slack itself. Sometimes work networks, public Wi-Fi, or even home internet settings can interfere with Slack and cause loading errors. Another very important step is to disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can change your connection route and sometimes cause Slack to time out or fail to reach its servers properly. If you have a VPN turned on, disconnect it and then reload Slack. The same goes for any proxy settings in your browser or system. Once disabled, try opening Slack again and see if the 504 error disappears. If Slack still isn't loading, go back and repeat the steps in order. Refresh the page, test your internet speed, switch networks, and disable VPN or proxy settings. These are the main fixes that resolve most Slack error 504 issues. The key is to isolate whether the problem is temporary, connection-related, or caused by a network tool interfering with Slack. Once Slack starts working again, you should be good to go. And if this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. That support really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when new step-by-step fixes are posted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.